Welcome back to Saya Resam, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. Imagine traveling abroad or heading out on an important business trip, and suddenly realizing your passport wallet is missing. That moment of panic is something every traveler fears. Today, we're taking a closer look at the IDMI Air Passport. A smart passport wallet that combines elegant design with modern tracking technology to help keep your essential documents safe and easy to locate wherever you go. Right out of the box, the IDMI Air Passport keeps things simple and clean. The packaging is minimal, with the product clearly visible from the front, so you can immediately see the color and overall design. Inside the package, you'll find the wallet itself, along with a user guide. Nothing unnecessary, just the essentials. This straightforward presentation already gives the impression that the product is focused on practicality and user experience rather than flashy extras. The first thing you'll notice when holding the IDMI Air Passport is how slim and lightweight it feels. With a thickness of only about 0.22 inches and weighing approximately 6.6 ounces. It's compact enough to slip easily into your backpack, carry-on bag, or even a larger pocket without adding bulk. Despite its slim profile, it still feels sturdy and well-constructed, which is exactly what you want from something designed to protect important travel documents. The exterior of the wallet is made from high-quality PU leather that feels smooth and durable in the hand. This material not only adds a premium appearance, but also helps resist scratches and everyday wear, whether you're traveling frequently or just using it occasionally for international trips. The wallet maintains a clean and professional look. It's available in two classic color options, black and brown, both of which match well with business or casual travel styles. Opening the wallet reveals a thoughtfully organized interior layout. There are dedicated compartments for your passport, boarding passes, credit cards, and other travel documents. Everything has its place, making it easy to stay organized when moving through airports or checkpoints. In the center of the wallet, there's a small power button, along with an LED indicator light. This allows you to quickly activate or disconnect the tracking function when needed, giving you direct control over the smart features. What truly sets the IDMI Air Passport apart from traditional passport wallets is its built-in smart tracking capability. The wallet connects via Bluetooth 5.2 and integrates seamlessly with the Apple Find My network. This means that if you accidentally leave your wallet behind at a cafe, airport lounge, or hotel room, you'll receive a separation alert when you move about 164 feet away from it. That early warning alone can save you from a stressful situation during travel. If the wallet does get lost, you can switch it to lost mode and check its last known location on a map. You can also trigger a sound alert to help locate it nearby. Even better, the location can be shared with up to 32 trusted friends or family members, making recovery even easier if something unexpected happens. These features make the IDMI Air Passport feel less like a simple accessory and more like a smart travel companion. Another impressive aspect of this wallet is its battery performance. It includes a built-in 480 mAh battery that can last up to 6 months on a single charge. That's a huge advantage compared to many smart trackers that require frequent charging. Instead of worrying about plugging it in every few days, you can rely on it throughout multiple trips without interruption. Charging is also designed with convenience in mind, rather than using a visible charging port that might interrupt the clean leather finish. The wallet supports wireless charging directly through its cover. This keeps the exterior looking sleek and seamless, while still allowing fast and easy power replenishment whenever necessary. Overall, the IDMI Air Passport successfully blends elegant craftsmanship with practical smart technology. It keeps your passport and travel essentials organized, while adding an extra layer of security through global tracking support. For frequent travelers, business professionals, or anyone who wants peace of mind during trips, This smart passport wallet offers a thoughtful combination of style, convenience, and protection.